Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to edit two video clips together in CapCut. Here's a simple guide. First is to open CapCut on your Windows PC. On the main screen, click New Project. Here, they will giving you options for the size of your video. Click on it to go to the editing page. Here, click on the plus button. A file browser will appear. Choose your first video clip and click Open. Once it loads into the timeline, click Upload, then choose Upload File. Click on the file and hit Open to add your second video clip. Drag and drop the second clip right after the first one on the timeline to connect them. If needed, trim the start or end of each clip by clicking and dragging the edges. Use the zoom slider below the timeline to view your clips more closely. To make the transition smoother, click the small white square between the clips to add a transition. Choose a transition effect like fade, slide, dissolve, etc., and adjust its duration. Click play to preview how the two clips flow together. You can also add text, effects, or background music from the toolbar if you want. When satisfied, click Export at the top right corner. Click Download, set your video name, resolution, and format. Then click Export again to save your final merged video. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.